Antonio, and I'm here filling in for Alexa of the Sokody sales team. Today we bring you your new home, 4468 Ridge Road. This rare, hard-to-find ranch sits on just over 2 acres with 1,851 square feet of that being the 3-bedroom, 1-bath home you're seeing right now. As you can see, it has everything updated from electrical to the tear-off architectural roof. This has been beautifully modernized, and there's so much more to see, so let's get started. Coming into the kitchen, it features a vaulted ceiling, updated cabinets, countertop, lighting, and flooring. There's also some utilities listed here that's included. Coming up next are some views of the bathroom and 3 bedrooms. This home also has a laundry located on the same floor. Next up, we have some shots of the spacious living room that brings it all together as we make our way downstairs to the wonderfully finished basement. Just off of the garage, this basement has so much done to it, like the new flooring, brick facade walls. This amazing space adds 696 square feet of livable area to your home. Coming from the basement, you can step outside to an amazing view of your huge backyard. Don't miss out on this great opportunity. Make your appointment today by contacting Alexa. Her number's on the screen. Again, thanks for watching. My name's Antonio. Wishing you all peace, love, and kindness.